You're about to discover a drink so powerful, so healing, it's been called liquid surgery by natural medicine experts. In just 7 days, it can help clear artery plaque, stabilize blood sugar, improve digestion, and even boost your energy. And no, it's not a miracle pill, expensive supplement, or complicated cleanse. It's simple, natural, and it starts with garlic. Keep watching, because toward the end of this video, I'll reveal the most surprising benefit of this drink that nobody talks about, and why skipping just 1 day could stop the transformation in its tracks. Let's start with the truth. Garlic isn't just food, it's ancient medicine, used by Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and traditional healers for thousands of years. Garlic was considered so valuable, it was traded like gold. But modern science is finally catching up. Garlic contains a potent compound called allicin, released only when garlic is crushed. This compound dissolves cholesterol deposits in your arteries, fights inflammation that causes high blood sugar and heart problems, and works as a natural antibiotic, keeping your gut, blood, and organs clean. But here's the catch. Garlic by itself isn't enough. You have to activate it, combine it wisely, and drink it consistently for 7 days, and when you do, the results are shocking. What happens to your body? Day by day. Day 1-2. A warming sensation in your stomach as digestion improves. You may feel a little sweaty. That's detox in action. Blood circulation increases. You might even feel warmer in your hands and feet. Day 3-5. Energy increases in the morning. Blood sugar readings begin to normalize after meals. Brain fog starts to lift. Day 6-7. Your body starts breaking down cholesterol in arteries. You might feel less pressure in your chest or more endurance while walking. Blood pressure improves slightly, and cravings drop. These results aren't hype. They've been experienced by real people around the world, and they start with one powerful recipe: the garlic drink recipe. Here's the simple 4-ingredient elixir that can jumpstart your healing. Ingredients: fresh garlic cloves, crushed. Tablespoon of raw honey juice of half a lemon, 1 cup warm water, not hot. How to prepare: crush the garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes. This allows allicin to activate. Add the honey and lemon juice to warm water. Stir in the garlic and let the flavors combine for 2 more minutes. Drink slowly on an empty stomach every morning for 7 days. Do not boil the garlic. Heat destroys its medicinal power. Warm water is enough to activate the process gently. Optional additions: a pinch of cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar, a tiny piece of ginger for added anti-inflammatory support. Why this works, the science behind it. Now, let's dig deeper. Why does this combo work so well? Garlic reduces plaque by softening hardened cholesterol and flushing it out of your system. Honey, especially raw, helps regulate blood sugar and contains natural antibacterial compounds. Lemon detoxes the liver and enhances digestion, breaking down fats faster. Warm water helps your body absorb it all smoothly, without shocking your system. Together, these create what we call a vascular cleanse. Most people wait until it's too late, until a stroke, a heart scare, or a diabetes diagnosis. But this drink gives you a second chance, starting from the inside out. Many people ask, what if I miss a day? Well, consistency is key. 1 cup won't change your life. But 7 consecutive days? That's when the transformation begins. If you miss a day, just continue the next morning. But remember, like any habit, repetition builds results. Let this become your morning ritual. Let's hear from people who've actually used it. James, 58. My cholesterol dropped by 30 points in just 10 days. I didn't even change much else. Maria, 43. I've had sugar crashes for years. After 4 days on this drink, I felt steady and calm after meals. No more mid-afternoon slumps. Aaliyah, 67. This is the first winter I didn't get sick. Garlic is now my best friend. This drink is powerful, but not for everyone. Check with your doctor if you take blood thinners, like warfarin, you have ulcers or very sensitive stomach, you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Don't overdo it. 1 cup a day is enough. Garlic in high doses may irritate your gut. Always drink plenty of water throughout the day to help your body eliminate toxins being released. Here's the truth most people overlook. This drink doesn't just target blood sugar or cholesterol, it reduces inflammation, the silent killer behind most modern diseases. By calming the inflammatory fires inside your body, this drink helps. Protect your brain from early memory loss. Soothe your joints and muscles. Strengthen your immune system. This is more than a drink. It's a signal to your body. It's time to heal.
So now the question is, are you going to try it?
Comment below with, "I'm in." If you'll start the garlic drink tomorrow, or tell us how you've used garlic for your health before. Your story might inspire someone else to take control of their health. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself, send it to a loved one who needs healing from the inside out. If you've made it this far, you clearly care about your health. So why stop now? Click over to the next video, where I'll reveal the top 3 natural powders that rebuild joints and stop inflammation. Perfect to pair with this garlic drink.